This video is going to be about how to keep our cells, our body cells, youthful. How can we regenerate those cells? How could we keep those cells younger? And because if the cells are dying, the cells are not multiplying, you know, aging takes place, not just aging but illness. So we're going to be talking about CoQ10, Coenzyme Q10. You are familiar with that. CoQ10 is like a vitamin, and it is all over our body. And so CoQ10 produces the necessary energy to produce cell growth, particularly in the heart, the heart cells, and also besides producing the cell growth, it also helps with the maintenance. And so this is a product that is given to patients with heart failure, and also it's given to people that had been working really hard, have a really harsh physical work. It helps to recover the body when you take these. The same thing when you go to the gym and work out hard, it helps to recover the body. So the nice thing with this product, the company name is Bartleins. It needs to be refrigerated. It comes in a liquid form. I love this product because it's formulated with lipids from fish oil, and so it has good amounts of DHEA, which is good for your brains and eyes. And so the lipids helps to absorb the CoQ10 in your body, and it is so delicious that you feel like just drinking it through the, from the bottle. It's just so delicious, and you could find it at the health food store. The good sources of CoQ10 is sardines, liver, kidney, beef, so you know, liver, kidney, the organs from beef, and the meat, and also peanuts, and yeah, I said sardines. So I'm a vegetarian, but I use a lot of, I eat a lot of organic raw peanut butter, besides taking, you know, the CoQ10. And because it comes in a lipid form, it keeps your skin nice and plump. Lipid form, liquid form, and so like I said, it needs to be refrigerated. Also, CoQ10 is used for periodontal disease. It's very good for your gums. With people that have gum disease, is very, very useful, very good. I recommend using toothpaste that is made with CoQ10, that is sold at the health food store, that is formulated for the purpose to keep the gums healthy. So there's so many benefits about CoQ10. The list could go on, and the video is gonna be so long, but the main thing is that it will help maintain your cells youthful. So producing energy and recovering your body when you do physical work or physical exercises. And so take it always, because it's lipid, it's formulated with lipid, you have to take it with food. And so you could put it in your shakes, as long as you have ate something that has substantial, don't do it in an empty stomach. You need to have food and able to absorb, because it's lipid, it's not water soluble, so it's important that you have it with food. Okay, my friends, I hope this was a good information for you guys, and you stay youthful, healthy, and gorgeous. Ciao, my friends.